Hi everyone, it's Louise. Hope you're all doing well, and apologies for my absence for a little while. I've had a bit of trouble with the hot weather. We've had some really hot and humid weather here, and it's cleared for the moment, but I think it's coming back next week, so I'm not looking forward to that. Anyway, I thought I would just show you, as I am posting today as well about the workshops. I thought I'd show you the other hearts I've made. So I will be showing this one on the workshop video, and that's the one that we make in the class. And yeah, I absolutely just love some of these stitches. They're just so beautiful. And I thought I'd show you the other ones I've made, because you probably don't ever get to see these on video. So these are very different. This one is probably similar in terms of the colour scheme. Those of you that know me well will know that I am a pink and green and cream person generally in terms of making things. Funny enough, I don't wear those colours. I tend to wear more like these colours, but I work quite often in a more subdued pastel-y tone. But now and again you got to get yourself out of, you could call it a rut, I suppose, of working in the same colours or using the same sort of stitch or doing the same thing again and again. Sometimes it's just nice to jump out of it. So I went a bit wild here, as you can see. I went a bit mad with the colours. I actually love these, and I have made many things in these sort of tones before. It's not actually that unusual for me. But I had done a series of things in the pastel shades, so I really enjoyed sort of doing something a bit more bold and maybe a bit more blousy, and using up some of my lovely, this is a batik under here, some of my lovely fabrics, yeah, it slightly assaults the senses, but I quite like it actually. So I just thought I'd show you these, because it's quite often I don't get round to showing some of the behind the scenes and some of the different things I've worked on. So I thought I would just show you these, and it all started off with this one. Actually, that was the first one I ever made. So I'm quite a fan of the construction of these. They're really nice to make. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Have a lovely day. Bye.